Backing up your Android phone to Google is super easy because the system is designed to run silently in the background. And I'll show you how to do this on two phones with the slightly different looking menus on each. Let's look at my Samsung phone first. And needless to say, to back up your phone to Google, you'll need to be logged into a Google account first. If you're not, the backup menu will ask you to log in first. I'll start by going to Settings and then scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Samsung has two options as far as backup goes. You can use Samsung Cloud, or you can use Google Drive, or you can use both. I'm going to focus on Google Drive today because it has more free storage and it's available to all Android users. I'll tap Backup Data under the Google Drive option, and here's my backup overview. On the top, I can toggle backups on, and on the bottom, I have an option to choose what's included in the backup. I'll go ahead and turn on backups for photos and videos first, and the phone takes me to Google Photos. I'll enable backups, and you'll see a progress bar spinning in the top right corner around my profile picture when the photo backup starts. Just keep in mind that this will back up photos in the Google Photos app, and if you're keeping all your photos in the Samsung Gallery app, those will not be included. You'd want to use the Samsung Cloud backup for those. While my photo backup is running, I'll go back and enable other device data to be backed up as well. This saves your apps and app data, call history, contacts, SMS text messages, and device configurations, like saved Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and display settings. Google gives every account 15 gigabytes of free cloud storage. This 15 gigabytes is shared across your Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. If you have thousands of 4K videos and heavy files, you may eventually need to upgrade to a paid Google One storage tier, for example, 100 gigabytes or 200 gigabytes to keep everything backed up. That's basically it. I'll start my backup and it'll run in the background. After this, your phone will automatically back up your data every night as long as it is connected to Wi-Fi, plugged into power, and has been idle for a couple of hours. If you're using a Pixel, Motorola, or other stock Android device, the process is similar but with slightly different menus. We'll go to Settings and then scroll down to System. In the System menu, you'll go all the way down to Backup, and you'll see the same menu here. Just choose what you want backed up, confirm, and you're all set. And that's how you back up your phone. Click that like button down there if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.